Hello, welcome to Microlocity, and in this video we need to help this farmer put away all of his equipment in the machine shed. Alright, so here's all the equipment. Some of it is broken, so I'm assuming the farmer's just going to use it for pieces. So we'll take the roof off to make it easier to look inside. So it's a pretty big building. Let's slide these doors open. And let's start putting away the equipment. So let's see, what should we do first? I think we'll use this little tractor here to pull most of the equipment in. And I don't know what the names of the equipment are or what they do. So I'm just a helper. So I'm just helping the farmer put away all his stuff before the weather gets bad. Okay, let's find another piece. Put this one in next. Uh-oh, that one doesn't fit. I need a bigger tractor for that one. So let's see if this over here will fit. Yep, sure does. Two pieces in. So maybe let's switch to a bigger tractor. We'll try this one here. So this one has a broken piece. We'll put that there. We'll haul that in later. That's a tricky piece. We'll leave that one right there. Okay, so let's see if it'll fit on this tractor. Fits on that one. Okay, so maybe let's get a couple of these tractors inside. We'll put that big one in the back. just leave that one hooked up. I can go right out that back door later. Okay, so let's see. Maybe we'll put a couple of these inside. I'm not sure it's all gonna fit. This is an old tractor we've had for a long time. Okay, so we're gonna need some help from the neighbor. He has a tow truck. So that tractor right there has no front wheels. Let's see if we can get this hooked up. There, I think that'll work. It's always nice having a neighbor with a tow truck. Okay, we'll leave that there for some parts. I think some of these might have to stay outside. So we'll put this one in. We have a couple little pieces here. Maybe this little tractor can take care of. Okay. We might need help from another neighbor. So that piece of equipment right there has a broken tongue. So our other neighbor, luckily, has a flatbed trailer. Okay, so let's get this loaded. Maybe we could load that on there too. Okay, going up. Take that off first. And hopefully this fits fits through the door. Oh yeah, perfect. Thank you, neighbor. Okay, we have a couple more things we have to put in here. We might leave some things outside. So we have this hay wagon. So I think that'll fit. Perfect fit. And we might have room for this little tractor to sit in there. Just like that. Close the doors. So we've got a couple tractors that'll just stay outside. I think that's okay. And we've got two pieces of equipment. But those are broken for parts anyway, so. Okay, so there's a look of all of the equipment in the shed. Thanks for your help, and see you next time.